Hi guys! Kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin rin yung tiny bell button dun sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito guys, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react nga ako guys dito sa message on the capture of Go Whopping aka Alice Go. And actually trending na siya ngayon sa lahat ng social media platform. Talagang pinag-usapan ng netizen. And yeah, sobrang trending niya ngayon guys. Hindi lang dito sa Philippines, pati sa ibang bansa ay pinag-uusapan itong case ni Alice Go. And yun nga, dahil trending ito, nahuli na po kasi si Mayor Alice Go sa Jakarta, Indonesia. And sobrang galing ng enforcement natin dito, no? Ng government natin ngayon. Talagang pinagtutuunan nila ito ng pansin at saka pinag-aralan talaga nila kung paano mahuhuli si Mayor Alice Go. And then finally, ito na. Si Mayor Alice Go po ay nahuli na at yeah, pababalikin na siya dito sa Philippines para dito sa kanyang kinakaharap na patong-patong na kaso. So panoorin muna natin guys itong message ni President BBM. So ito guys yung message on the capture of Go Whopping aka Alice Go. Alright? Wait lang. Okay. Bilang tayo guys ng 3, 2, 1, go. So here we go. Wait lang. Lakasan ko para marinig natin lahat.
Minamahal kong kababayan, on or about 1 o'clock a.m. 4 September, Alice Go, also known as Go Whopping, was arrested in Tangerang City, Jakarta, Indonesia. I congratulate all law enforcement personnel who made this apprehension possible. The public may not know the intricate details of this mission that you have successfully accomplished, but on their behalf, accept my thanks. The Philippines also thanks the Indonesian government for their assistance on this matter.
Thank you, Indonesia.
The close cooperation between our two governments has made this arrest possible. Let this serve as a warning to those who attempt to evade justice. Such is an exercise in futility. The arm of the law is long, and it will reach you.
Yes.
This government continues in its duty to apply the rule of law. Ms. Go shall be entitled to all legal protections due her under the laws of the land and pursuant to our commitment to the rule of law. But we will not allow this to prolong the resolution of the case, whose outcome will be a victory for the Philippines.
Congratulations!
Thank you and good day.
Diba? Ang galing, no? Wow! Sobrang nakaka-proud and nakakasaludo sa lahat ng law enforcement here in the Philippines na talagang tinutukan itong case ni Mayor Alice Go, and then kay President PBBM, sa mga senador na tumututok dito regarding sa case ni Mayor Alice Go, and then dun sa Indonesian government. Thank you so much po. So finally, eto na, nahuli na po si Mayor Alice Go. So yeah, thank you so much. Diba? Ang galing ng government natin, no? Talagang nakikita natin yung pagkilos nila. Alright? Yeah, kung nagustuhan nyo to guys, bigyan nyo itong malaking likes, mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga requests na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa akin channel. You know, bye!